अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि बेटे आप सब लोग खैर आफियत से होंगे और आप सबकी बायोलॉजी की तैयारी बेटे अच्छी जा रही होगी। अल्लाह ताला से दुआ गो हूँ कि अल्लाह ताला आप सबकी खैर फरमाए और आप सबका पेपर जो है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा हो और उसके साथ साथ आपका रिज़ल्ट भी जो है ना वो आउटस्टैंडिंग आए। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर मैं इंशाल्लाह आप लोगों के साथ 10th क्लास की जो बायोलॉजी है उसके मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एंड मोस्ट रिपीटेड जो एमसीक्यूज़ हैं पास्ट पेपर्स के अकॉर्डिंग उसको इंशाल्लाह वन बाय वन करके डिस्कस करूँगा। आपने वीडियो को शुरू से लेके एंड तक देखना है ताकि आपको मुकम्मल तौर पर जो है ना वो रहनुमाई हासिल हो सके और आपको इसका फ़ायदा भी ज़रूर हो सके। सुबह पेपर है आपका, एमसीक्यूज़ आपने यकीनन तैयार कर ली होगी, तो लास्ट अटैम्प्ट समझ के तो इसको भी आप लोग लाजमी तौर पे पढ़ लें, एक बार बस सुन लें, देख लें और फिर अपने तौर पे आप लोग इसको सोल्व करने की कोशिश भी लाजमी तौर पे करें। ठीक है जी। सो बेटे स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहली एमसीक्यूज़ है, इन डैश वाटसन एंड क्रिक प्रपोज्ड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ डीएनए 1953। ठीक है, वीडियो ज़्यादा लेंथी ना हो तो ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाऊँगा, बिल्कुल शोर सी बात करूँगा। विच वन इज़ यूज टू प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्लास्टिक acrylic acid. The units of androcism are called stamens. After formation of ammonia, it is converted into nitrates and nitrites is called nitrification. MCQs number 5 है, it destroys microorganisms found on non-living objects, designificants. The example of xerophytes plant is cactus. In normal circumstances, human breathe dash time per minute 16 to 20 टाइम जो है ना वो एक इंसान नॉर्मल ब्रीथ करता है। ठीक है। इट कंट्रोल्स फीलिंग्स सच एज रेज, पेन, प्लेयर एंड सोरो, हाइपोथैलेमस। नेक्स्ट है, मेंडल यूज्ड डैश पी प्लांट्स फॉर हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट्स 28,000. द एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टम below the point of attachment of cytoleton is called hypocoty. The total bones in vertebral column are 26. Meaning of R4 in conservation of nature is reforest. ठीक है जी। नेक्स्ट बेटे लाहौर बोर्ड का दूसरा ग्रुप है, हाउ मैनी बोन्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द बोथ हैंड्स कलेक्टिवली 54. How many tonnage recycling of paper can save 17 trees? 1. Which of the following is protein synthesis translation? Which one is reabsorbed in descending line of a loop of Henle water? What will be the blood group of a person which has no antigen present in his blood? O. Penicillin is obtained from the mushroom. Which one of the following separates middle ear from the inner oval window? Which type of reproduction is found in corals budding? Uterus of a rabbit is divided into which two separate parts? Horns. Enzymes which is used for joining the genes? Ligase. Which gas reduce the oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin? Carbon monoxide. Termites and protozoan have which symbiotic relationship? Mutualism. नेक्स्ट बेटे हम डिस्कस करते हैं गुजरा वाला बोर्ड को। ठीक है। द नंबर ऑफ बोन्स इन वर्टेब्रल कॉलम इज 26. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एंटीवायरल प्रोटीन? इंटरफ्रोन्स. Conversion of nitrogen gas into nitrates is called nitrogen fixation. Short and swollen underground stumps containing stored food are called corms. The weight of kidney is 120 gram. The step of joining specific amino acids by ribosomes to form protein is called translation. The relationship between two different species in which one partner is benefited while the other is neither benefited nor harmed is called communism. और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है, डैश इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रिसेप्टर आई. The situation wherein heterozygous or genotypes both the alleles expressed as the blend is called incomplete dominance. Which one of the following is an example of haloquinins? Mescaline. Which part of the plant develops into the fruit ovary? Normal per minute. ब्रीथिंग रेट इन ह्यूमन 16 to 20। और उसके बाद बेटे नेक्स्ट गुजरांवाला का पेपर, फर्स्ट ट्रॉफिक लेवल इन द इकोसिस्टम इज प्रोड्यूसर। और नेक्स्ट है जी एंटाइटोजिन एंटाइटोजिन आर obtained from the animals। Methods of asexual reproduction in ribosomes is spore formation. Most of the gases exchange in a leaf occurs through stomata, process that carry nerve impulses away from the cell body. Axon. Biotic component of ecosystem is sparrow, 50 kg. Yeast can produce 250 ton protein in 24 hours. Units of inheritance are genes. Organ which is responsible for the filtering blood, kidney. Ripened ovary form fruit. Inheritable characteristics are called traits. Number of bones in human skull is 22। ठीक है जी। नेक्स्ट बेटे फैसलाबाद ग्रुप, द स्टेप of joining specific amino acids according to the sequence occurring in the RNA is called translation. The number of hydrogen bonds between the organisms and their environment is called 3। ये तीन होते हैं, ठीक है। द स्टडी ऑफ इंटर रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन ऑर्गेनिजम्स एंड देयर एनवायरनमेंट इज कॉल्ड इकोलॉजी। द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टू डिफरेंट स्पीशीज इन विच both get benefits but neither is harmed is called mutualism. Which one is painkiller chemical? beta beta endorphin। और नेक्स्ट है जी digital obtained from the digitalis obtained from the leaves of dash plants। foxglove respiratory center is located in brain. These plants have circulate organs, xerophytes. The unit of neurons system is neuron. The number of bones in pelvic girdle 2. In, prokaryotic asexual reproduction occurs in binary fission. Horizontal underground stems with scale leaves are called rhizosome। ठीक है जी। तो ये फैसलाबाद ग्रुप का बेटे ग्रुप 1 था, फैसलाबाद बोर्ड का। अब ये इसका हम दूसरा डिस्कस करते हैं इसका। Which gas reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin? Which one is reabsorbed in descending line of Henle loop? Water. Which one decrease the calcium ions concentration in blood? Calcitonin. Deficiency of estrogen hormone can cause the disease of osteoarthritis. Third whorl of flower is called endochroism. Connection established between the embryo and the uterus wall is called placenta. In DNA, nucleotide gene forms pair with cytosine. If round yellow seed have genotype RRYY, then a true breeding winkle. Green seed have the which genotype RRYY. Termites and the protozoan have which symbiotic relationship? Mutualism. How many tons? How many tons recycling of paper can save 17? 1. Product used in the printing glycerol. Edward Jenner introduced vaccine for which disease? Smallpox। ठीक है जी। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट बेटे मुल्तान बोर्ड का पेपर है। एपिग्लोटिस इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इलास्टिक कार्टिलेज। द प्लांट in which vegetative propagation takes place through leaves. Bryophyllum, the structure in which ovules are found is called ovary. In Mendel's dihybrid cross phenotype of all seeds in F1 generation was round yellow. The genotype of blood group AB, इसका बेटे ये वाला होता है, ठीक है। The basic structure of energy for all ecosystems sun. Microorganisms used for the production of formic acid are aspergillus. Recycling of 1 ton of paper can save 17 trees. The drugs used to reduce pain are called analgesics. The organ which produce sound is called vocal cords. The plant which produce text is rubber plant. The unit of neuron system is called neuron। नेक्स्ट बेटे मुल्तान बोर्ड का दूसरा ग्रुप। This method of propagation is also called micropropagation. Tissue culture, where does male rabbit transfer his sperms in female rabbit's birth canal? DNA wrap around the headstone protein and the form rounded structure are called न्यूक्लियोसोम्स। और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है जी इनअटेंशनल ब्रीडिंग। Breeding between the individual and for certain traits of the combination of traits is called artificial selection. An organism an organism that actively hunts other organism is called predator. A network of all feeding relationship in an ecosystem is called food web. और नेक्स्ट वीडियो है इन डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज स्मोकिंग रेट हैज़ 3.4%, which thing is not typically found in urine या urine glucose, which nervous disorder in muscles does occur as a result of damage to the central nervous system, paralysis, which hormone is produced less when reproductive cycle is stopped in human formulation, estrogen dash is used to dissolve blood urinase, the power of dash is applied on wounds to stop bleeding and prevent infection, silver nitrate। और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है जी विच वन ऑफ द given is a decomposer fungi, in which of the given external fertilization is found fishes, the positions of genes on which chromosomes are called loci, the principal building block of many kinds of biomolecules c, which one of the given is an example of receptor ear, the base of ureter is called renal pelvis, where is elastic cartilage found pinna, which one of the given medicines is cardiac। इसका आंसर होगा बेटे डिजिटलिस। द नंबर ऑफ lobes in the right lung is 3, in which process does incomplete oxidation and reduction of glucose take place, fermentation, which one is female reproductive part of a flower, genosium, the specific combination of genes in an individual called is genotype। ठीक है जी नेक्स्ट है बेटे साहिवाल बोर्ड। The neuron which has only one dendrite and one axon is called sensory neuron, which human blood group is an example of codominance AB, in which of the given binary fission does not occur. Hydra. In the normal urine, amount of urea is 9.3 G by I. The process of respiration in plants takes place during all the time. From which of the given morphine and codeine are called opium. Human isoline was prepared in the year 1978, which one is an example of artificial ecosystem aquarium। और नेक्स्ट है जी वेयर डिड चार्ल्स एल्टन develop the concept of ecological pyramid 1927। The cells of cartilage are called chondroids। Genetics is the branch of biology in which we study inheritance। Omnivores are such as consumers which eat flesh and plants। Next है जी सरगोदा बोर्ड का। It is form of allergy asthma, which one is a waste of product tomatoes calcium oxalate। These are organs, tissues or cells that detect stimuli receptor. The number of bones in the protocoral pectoral girdle for yeast produces asexually by budding. All small underground stem surrounded by thick fleshy leaf with the stored food is called bulb। An example of discontinuous variation is called blood groups। Or the theory of natural selection was proposed by Charles Darwin. A group of the organisms of same species inhabiting a habitat at a particular time is called population। This is a tertiary carnivorous line। Alcoholic fermentation is carried out in the presence of ये वाला इसका बी वाला ऑप्शन होगा ठीक है। वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ड्रग इज कॉल्ड ड्राइव फ्रॉम द मिनरल्स आयोडाइन टिंचर। ठीक है जी नेक्स्ट है जी सरगोदा बोर्ड का ग्रुप 2। विच वन ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एबायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स वाटर source of energy material for all living organism plants the protein content produced by the microorganism fermentation fermented food who proposed the idea of a stellar surgery Joseph Lister tooth loss is dash time higher in the smoker than in the non-smoker 2 to 3 cup-shaped structure in the kidney is called Bowman capsule the part of brain that receives nerve impulse from the skin is called parietal the purpose of rib cage is to the protect heart and lungs साइटोलिडन स्टे अंडरग्राउंड ड्यूरिंग हाइपोजियल जर्मिनेशन। और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है जी राइजोप्स रिप्रोड्यूस एसेक्सुअली बाय स्पोर फॉर्मेशन। द एलिलीज which are not expressed are called recessive. Mendel's laws are implemented on the codominance. नेक्स्ट है जी रावलपिंडी बोर्ड का द लेंथ ऑफ ट्रैकिया is 12 centimeter. The amount of urea in normal urine is 9.3 g by L. The hormone that increase the blood glucose level is glycogen. The number of bones in both hands 54. Which one of the latest method of vegetative propagation cloning? Which one is an example of the stem tubers potato? Which one of the following is a genetic material DNA? The phenotype ratio at F2 in the law of independent assortment is 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1। ठीक है जी, इसका ए वाला है, दरमियान में 2 मरतबा 3 आता है। Thickness of biosphere is 20 kilometer. Which plant is used? Carnivorous cactus. Dolly is the name of a sheep. Which one of the following effect of the production in sperm man? Marijuana। ठीक है जी, रावलपिंडी बोर्ड का दूसरा ग्रुप end of skeletal muscle attached with the immovable bone is called origin. It is the opening through which seed absorb water. Microphile. Adult population infected by HIV in Pakistan 0.1. Which one is an example of codominance blood group AB? The biologist who hinted at evolution for the first time, Buffon. R2 stands for reuse. Presence of Hastria roots in the some plants is an example of parasitism. The vector, DNA and the attached genes, gene of the interest are collectively called recombinant DNA. Which antibiotic are bactericidal? ये है जी साइफल स्पोरेंस। ठीक है जी। द डिजीज इन विच walls of alveoli are destroyed is called emphysema. Amount of water in normal chemical composition of urine 95%. In controls the secretion of pituitary gland is hypothalamus। नेक्स्ट है जी डेरा गाजी खान का नंबर ऑफ homologous chromosome pair is 23. DNA background is formed phosphate sugar. Which one of the following is not eaten by the other animal? Tertiary consumer. Nitrates are converted into the nitrates nitrosomes. Out of the following enterable protein is called interferons. Heroin is obtained from the morphine. Amount of nitrogen in inspired air is 79%. Gums are obtained from the kikar. Total number of cranial nerves is 12. In human body, which of the following stores mineral bonds? Reproduction takes place through the budding is hydra. What is required reproduction by ferns? ठीक है जी। नेक्स्ट है जी इन monohybrid crosses F2 generation has the ratio of phenotype 3:1. In ecosystem, the organism that are responsible for the recycling decomposer. Recycling of 1 ton paper can save 17 trees. A thick muscle structure present below the legs is called diaphragm. The structure creates an insulating blanket of the warm air in animal goosebumps. The special neurological cell located at the regular interval along axon are called Sitchin cells. How does vertebral column contribute to the overall support to human body? It connects pectoral glider of the pelvic girdle. Which application of biotechnology involved the production of the insulin in the form medicine? Which category of addictive drug capable of being developed independence of the addictive? इसका होगा जी narcotics. What is formed by of a form of value after fertilization seed? In most plants the sporophyte dominant. Pink flower 4 o'clock plant is called incomplete dominance। ठीक है जी। सो ये डियर स्टूडेंट्स बेटे मैंने आपके साथ पिछले साल के पंजाब के जितने भी बोर्ड्स थे उन सब की जो है ना वो MCQs जो है वो आपके साथ शेयर की। ठीक है, होप सो कि आपको इंशाल्लाह सुबह इनसे ज़रूर जो है ना वो फ़ायदा हासिल होगा। अपनी तरफ से हर बंदा कोशिश यही करता है, मैं भी आपके लिए यही कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि आपका पेपर जितना तैयार हो सकता है मैक्सिमम वो हो जाए। ठीक है, बाकी इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखें, पेपर के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा बेस्ट ऑफ लक। अल्लाह हाफिज़।